Hello and welcome. In this video, we're diving into how you can start a side hustle. Whether you're eager to earn some extra cash or pursue your passion, a side hustle can be a stepping stone to financial independence. Let's walk through the steps to kickstart your side gig. Step 1. Choose your side hustle. Consider what aligns with your skills and interests and where there's market demand. Popular options include freelancing, dropshipping, or offering online courses in a field you're skilled at. Make a list of ideas, assess which fits you best, and get ready to take the plunge. Step 2. Make a plan. Define clear goals. How much do you want to earn monthly? How much time can you dedicate weekly? Develop a step-by-step plan and allocate funds for any startup costs, like website hosting or advertisements. Staying focused and organized begins here. Step 3. Start small and test your idea. Launch a minimum viable product, like a basic website, or offer services to a small audience. Gather feedback, tweak your strategy, and minimize risks. This iterative process refines your concept before you commit fully. Step 4. Marketing and sales. To thrive, you need effective promotion. Leverage social media platforms like Instagram, Facebook, and LinkedIn to boost awareness. Consider paid ads if your budget allows, and foster strong customer relationships for word-of-mouth referrals. Step 5. Scale up when ready. Once your side hustle generates consistent income, expand your efforts. This might mean dedicating more time, widening your offerings, or upping your marketing game. Perhaps your side hustle might even transition into your primary income source. And there you have it, a roadmap to starting your side hustle. By starting small, testing your strategy, and gradually scaling up, you can safely build a new income stream. Subscribe to our channel for more entrepreneurial tips and share your questions or experiences in the comments. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.